Hello everyone and welcome back to my makeup channel. Today I'm going to do a makeup look using this LA Colors matte palette that I bought from Shopmissa. All of the details of the products in this video will be in the description box. I'm now going to use this fluffy brush, blending brush, and go into that lightest pink color, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease. And now I'm just going to do the same on the other side. Now I'm going to go in with that slightly darker color and go right on my crease, right in the middle part of my crease, and that is going to help to create more dimension. Now I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to apply that darker color on the rest of my lid. I do take my time applying this color because I want it to be even. Now I'm just going to do the same on the other side. I did go off camera and applied eyeliner and some lashes. And that is the final result of my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown stick foundation and my brush. And I'm just gonna apply that foundation all over my face. Now I'm going to gently blend that foundation out with my brush. Be sure to be gentle when blending out your foundation so that you don't exfoliate your face by mistake. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just going to apply some right under my eyes so that any dark circles can be covered. And I'm going to go in with this disposable triangle sponge that you can buy at any local beauty supply. And I'm going to blend that out. For setting powder, I'm going to be using Airspun. And I'm just going to apply it everywhere that I applied that concealer. After letting it sit for a minute or two, I removed it with a fluffy brush. Now for contouring, I'm going to use this BH Cosmetic contouring palette, and I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush into that medium brown color, and I'm just gonna apply some with this brush right in the middle of my cheek, towards the middle of my face. Now I'm also gonna apply it all over the top part of my forehead. Now I'm just gonna take that same brush and blend it out. Now for blush, I'm going to use my chubby stick from Clinique, and I'm just going to apply the blush all over the apples of my cheeks. Now with a triangle sponge, I'm going to blend that out. For highlighter, I'm going to use Wetnwild, and I'm just going to use a feathered brush to apply it right above my blush. Also on my nose and my chin. And on my cupid's bow. Now for lipstick, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Rosewood. And this is my final look. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.